Hi there, you lovely fly fishing maniacs. My name is Ken Persson. I'm the co-founder of Sameo Sweden. Welcome to the Sameo channel. There's one cast that is almost too good to be true. You can use it almost anywhere. It takes seconds to understand the principles, but yet it can take a lifetime to master. I'm of course talking about the static roll cast, the ugly duckling of fly fishing casts. Join me and Ola Spong and let us see if we can make you love the cast as much as we do. Tag along!
The static roll cast. It's efficient, quiet, sneaky and possible to perform almost everywhere. For me, it's just one of those perfect inventions. And yet it seems we don't give it credit enough to really put the effort in to master it complete. We might try it once or twice and then we continue to do other water-anchored casts to get more of the sexy distance. But man, that little duckling can be your best weapon. Just practice it enough to let it become a swan. Back in the days I was taught to roll cast in the old traditional way, that you let the line come in, let the line form a D-loop and you wait. And then I just lower my forearm down to make a crisp stop, and of course it works, but for me I found it very hard to really get the line to load up the rod with that short stroke. So I often stressed, and the result was the line ending up in a big pile in front of me. So the first years I didn't really get the hang of the cast at all. But let's take another look here at Mastercaster Ola Spong instead. But look how Ola longens the stroke by pushing his hand in a straight line a bit downwards. And then finally he rotates the wrist to perform the cast. This is a much more efficient way to load up the rod spring. Keep your rod tip in a straight path over the line in the water and you will get better distances. Practice the roll cast backhand and forehand. Try to reach cast and bow cast with it and you will catch fish in spots your pals wouldn't even think of fishing. It's possible to do sitting down or even flat on your stomach, so for sneaky sniper fishers it's a tool of the trade. I think the static roll cast is just the best. It's effortless, it's smooth, it's so quiet and efficient. Master it, practice it, it's so worth it. At least in my eyes, it's a bright white swan. So thanks for watching, and as usual, if you like this video and you want to see more, please consider subscribing. And hey, let me know what you want me to do a fly fishing video about. See ya!